Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, a bold evolution of one of the world's best-selling compact SUVs. Redesigned inside and out for efficiency, capability, and cutting-edge technology, this is the RAV4 for the modern driver. Let's dive in. Right off the bat, the 2026 RAV4 stands out with a fresh, muscular design, sharper lines, bold front fascia, and available 20-inch black sport wheels that give it a commanding presence on the road. Underneath, Toyota has made a serious shift. The RAV4 is now hybrid-only across the lineup. That means every RAV4 you see here features Toyota's advanced electrified powertrain, either a traditional hybrid or a more potent plug-in hybrid. The standard hybrid model pairs a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, producing up to about 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive, while the plug-in hybrid delivers roughly 320 horsepower, instant torque, and around 50 miles of electric-only range, perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Step inside and the RAV4 greets you with a tech-focused cabin. A large digital instrument cluster and an upgraded infotainment touchscreen, up to 12.9 inches on higher trims, put connectivity at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and features like dual wireless phone charging make life on the go easier than ever. Toyota's commitment to safety continues with the Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision detection, and more, giving confidence whether you're in traffic or on the highway. Performance on the 2026 RAV4 is smooth and efficient. The hybrid powertrains balance fuel economy with power, while available all-wheel drive helps you handle rain, gravel, or even snowy roads. Available in trims from L to Limited, and with adventure-ready options like the Woodland Edition, the 2026 RAV4 has something for everyone. Whether you're a city commuter, a growing family, or an outdoor explorer. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota RAV4, smarter, greener, and packed with tech. Hybrid power is now standard, and versatile capability comes with it. If you're in the market for an SUV that does it all, with style, efficiency, and confidence, the new RAV4 deserves a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and breakdowns. Hit that bell to stay up to date with the latest automotive news.